Hello and welcome to the Shopify Integration Guide with Manscale AI.
Manscale AI.
So we can integrate Manscale AI into the Shopify store, we first need to make sure that we are inside the Manscale AI dashboard. After that, we navigate to Settings, then Integrations, and click Enable Integrations for Shopify. Next, we copy the required permissions shown below. Open the Shopify Developer Dashboard, and then click Create App.
Here we enter Manscale AI as the app name and then click Create. Next, we go to the Access tab and paste in the required scopes that we copied earlier. After that, we click Release and confirm it one more time by clicking Release again. Now we need to install the app inside our Shopify store. To do that, we click Install App and then select the correct store. Then we confirm everything by clicking Install. Once the installation was successful, you should see this screen. Now we can close this window and return to the developer dashboard. From here, we go back to the settings and copy the client ID. Then we paste it into the Manscale AI dashboard under Client ID. Make sure not to confuse it with the client secret because that is a separate value. Now we copy the client secret as well. The client secret is usually a little longer. We also need the store URL. To find the store URL, go to Settings directly inside Shopify. At the top, you will see your Shopify URL. Copy that URL and paste it directly into Manscale AI. After that, we save everything by clicking Connect Shopify. Once the connection is successful, we will be able to select our blog. If nothing shows up here, you will most likely need to go through the setup again because one of the required permissions is probably missing. But if the blog appears here and you are able to select it, then the Shopify integration was successful.